Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and when you're watching a film or television show and you see actors using weapons, knives, they're fighting, have you ever wondered how do they get so proficient? How do they look so real? Well, let me tell you, the studios or the production companies, they are going to make sure that the star gets incredible training and they will spend months and months and months really working on this. But how about other people who aren't having people hired to train you? How do you go about learning how to be really skillful? Well, I interviewed Matt Clanton. Matt is the founder of Act Tactical for Film. He's an ex-police officer. He's also has many degrees in martial arts and Krav Maga. He also will teach you in this video what exactly is tactical training? At what point is it necessary for you to get started? What kind of skills do you have to have? What's the difference between taking a martial arts class and learning how to use those skills in film and television? Can you use these kinds of skills out in the real world? How do you find training places near you? The kinds of questions you want to ask to make sure it's the right kind of place. Copy and paste the link below and you can learn all about this video, how it will help you, how it can help you get more auditions and even jobs, especially if you had this listed in your resume. So use the link below, watch this video. It's going to be really interesting and helpful to you. I'm Aaron Marcus and I can't wait to talk with you again soon.